All right, this is going to be hopefully a quick video on how to download and install the Cloud Sync desktop app for your laptop or desktop computer. Now the mobile apps for your phone or your iPad or Android, whatever it is, maybe is going to be a little different. So this is just for the desktop app. So we're going real quick here. You can use any web browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use Internet Explorer. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to type in a link here. This link will be available in the description below. You should just be able to click on that link and get to where you need to go. Otherwise, you can just copy and paste it. But the main thing is that it's HTTPS. As long as you click the link, it should take you right there. You're going to land on a screen here that at login here, you're going to use the username and email is actually going to be builder backslash and your username. So this make sure it's a backslash right here and not a forward slash like these. There's a difference. Make sure it's a backslash and then just your username, which is the first part of your email address. So cbrown@brycon.com. I'm using cbrown here. So the password should be the same password for your computer login. So hopefully I get this right here and we'll get logged in. So now you may or may not see a screen that looks like this. Mine is set up a little different. So my first screen here is different. You'll probably log in and see this screen. Nevertheless, what you want is this item right here. Now, quick note, if you haven't used the Cloud Sync before, you can use the web browser, like we're here, to just get access to your files, folders, and share those things out. That's a little bit different. For now, I just want to keep this quick, so we'll just go straight into downloading the app. Now, everybody pretty much is running a Windows agent, so you'll get the Windows agent and it'll download. It'll take a little bit of time, normally pretty quick, and should be ready to roll. Once that's downloaded, you're just going to go ahead and execute that file by clicking on it. So as soon as it's done downloading here, we'll go ahead and click on this executable file. It's going to ask you a question. Do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? Hit yes. And then it's going to run the installation wizard. So you're going to click on next. This is all pretty generic info. Yes, I accept. Click next again. This is pretty basic stuff. Just follow this right through and it'll install here. This should be pretty quick. It's a pretty small file, so it normally won't take long. All right, so now it's finished downloading. We're gonna go ahead and leave this create a desktop shortcut checked. You can uncheck it if you want, doesn't matter. Then you're gonna click finish. It will typically bring up a little icon at the bottom of the screen that'll be flashing with the Cloud Sync tool. You're going to need to click that. I know it's off of my window here, but if you click on that, it brings up this registration wizard. So this is where you're going to need to enter some more info. So some of these directions will be below the things that you're going to type in here, but you're going to want to click the checkbox to use domain credentials. Then you should have an option here that says domain. Again, this will be builder.local. The username, the same username before, but it's just the username. So just cbrown, and the password is the same password you use to log on to your computer. So now you'll click next, and you should be greeted with a screen that looks like this for typical setup. And if not, then you probably entered a password wrong or something, so you'll just have to give it another try. If you keep having issues, shoot me an email. We'll try and get you set up. So hit next. And in this case, it looks like we had this installed on here before, so we'll go that you won't see this screen. This will be like a first time installer. So I'm just going to hit OK. It'll take a little bit of time to get everything set up and get rolling. And then you'll say, you're all set. So open sync tool and finish, just click finish. So this is what you'll see. It's real simple. It looks just like Windows Explorer as if you were using any of your other files or folders. The difference is it's using this little favorites, under favorites right here, synced tool. If you click on that, these are all of your folders that are your team shares or just items that you may have uploaded to the cloud sync, and then you can access them. So one thing to note is it takes a little bit of time to get everything synced up. As long as you're connected to Wi-Fi, it'll be syncing. You'll notice you might click in one of these folders and nothing's there. Don't panic. Within a day, depending on how many team shares you have, if you only have one or two, it might be really quick. In an hour, you're ready to roll. If it's a lot like mine, it might take a day to sync up. But this is where you'll access all of the project files and folders from the field. Would be your synced tool deal right here, and so that should be about it. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. My email is below, and we'll get you going. All right, thanks.